Well, let's see. It's a little before 11, Saturday, February the 6th, and it's been snowing now around here for about the past 25 hours. Now, before I make a mistake and go out here, let me get my gloves on, because it is quite cold. Oh, there's the red rocket. There's the BMW, completely encased. There's the Yukon. Now, I've already shoveled out here once this morning. Shoveled out here 4 times yesterday. Let's go for a little tour, shall we? Might be difficult to see because of the limited contrast. That's a mountain of snow, about 5 feet tall. There's my neighbor trying to shovel out. I'm gonna have to go get my snowshoes on.
I'm telling you, it's terrible.
This is thick. Is it? Oh yeah, I see. There's all the snow on the overhang. There's one pile of snow that you can see from part of the driveway. My neighbor on this side's got an electric snowblower, and I think it's probably the extent of the capabilities of his machine. Let me see. There's the Lexus buried. It's just plain whiteout. How many times have you shoveled already?
I shoveled last night. Just now. I shoveled a lot last night. I shoveled all the way out like you did. The street.
Yeah.
You can't even tell.
I know. Not a bit.
You shoveled today.
Yeah, I shoveled once this morning. I shoveled 4 times yesterday.
Did you really?
Yeah. I'm about to do it again. Who knew?
When's this supposed to stop?
About 6 o'clock tonight. It's been snowing for 24 hours already. I like 6 o'clock better. Well, we need to go around back and observe what it looks like back there. BMW is still buried. Trash can over there, fairly well buried. Holy crap, this is deep. This is going to be probably up to my waist. Well, let's give it a shot. No, let's not give it a shot. We'll do another video and go out back later when I have my snowshoes on. So, look for more later. Signing off for now. Got a shovel.